This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning this procedure. Cooling system draining. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. Turn the ignition key to the on position, then set the heater temperature control to the maximum heat position. Wait at least 10 seconds, then turn the ignition off. Slowly remove the radiator cap. From under the radiator, release the cover fasteners and fold it back to expose the radiator drain plug. Place a drain pan underneath the radiator drain plug. Loosen and remove the drain plug with a Phillips screwdriver. Allow the coolant to drain completely. Also remove the cooling system air relief plug to assist in draining. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Reinstall the cover, securing it with the retaining clips. If necessary or desired, drain the coolant that remains in the engine by removing the block drain plugs. There is one located on each side of the engine block. Frequently, the coolant will not drain from the block after the plug is removed. This is due to a rust layer that has built up behind the plug. Insert a screwdriver into the hole to break the rust barrier. Cooling system filling. Slowly fill the radiator with the correct type of coolant mixture until the coolant emerges from the air relief hole. Install the air relief plug with the washer and tighten it securely. Continue to fill the system until coolant reaches the base of the radiator filler neck. Then add coolant to the reservoir until it reaches the min mark. Wait 5 minutes and recheck the coolant level in the radiator, adding more if necessary. Leave the radiator cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Rev the engine to approximately 2500 RPM for 10 seconds, then let it idle. Do this a few times. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the base of the filler neck. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture to the radiator if necessary. Install the radiator cap. Add more coolant to the reservoir if necessary. Install the reservoir cap. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks.